Dear students of class 11th, Assalamu alaikum. Let us today learn how to convert an octal number into decimal equivalent. First, we learned how to convert the decimal number into binary, octal, and hexadecimal. Then, we are doing the reverse these actions now. Yesterday, we discussed how to convert a binary number into its decimal equivalent. Let us today discuss how to convert a octal number into its decimal equivalent. As you know, the octal number is having the base 8 and the decimal number is having the base 10. The octal number has only 8 digits ranging from 0 to through 7. So octal number की जो भी हमें नंबर दिया गया हो उस नंबर को रीड करके हमें देखना है कि ये कितने डिजिट्स हैं. जो राइट मोस्ट डिजिट है उसको एक पोजिशनल वैल्यू देना है. उसका पोजिशनल वैल्यू क्या होगा, पोजिशनल वेट क्या होगा, फिर उस डिजिट को, प्रॉपर डिजिट को उस पोजिशनल वेट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. जैसे जो राइट मोस्ट डिजिट होता है उसकी जो पोजिशनल जो उसका वेट होता है वो वही होता है जो वो फेस वैल्यू होता है. तो 8 उसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 8 raised to power 0 since the base of the number system is octal number system is 8. So we multiply that very proper digit, the specific digit, by 8 raised to power 0. Then we move from right to left. We multiply the second number, the second digit, by 8 raised to power 1. Then the third digit by 8 raised to power 2. Then the fourth digit by 8 raised to power 4, and so on and so on. So when a number is given, the rightmost bit is multiplied by 8 raised to power 0. As you know, anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So we have to multiply that very digit by 1 only. And 8 raised to power 0 is equal to 1 by 1. The digit will remain same. Then the second digit, when we are moving from right to left, the second digit we have to multiply by 8. Because we have to multiply actually by this number by 8 raised to power 1. As you know, 8 raised to power 1 is equal to 8. So we have to multiply this digit by 8. Then the third digit we have to multiply by 8 raised to power 2. As you know, the 8 raised to power 2 is equal to 8. 8s are 64. We have to multiply that very digit by 8 raised to power 4. 8 raised to power 2, that is 64. Then 8 raised to power 3, 128. Then so on and so on. So the given number, suppose we are given a number 321. Actually this is not 321 because this number do not belongs to the decimal number. It belongs to the octal number. It can have a different decimal value. So let us ascertain what is its decimal equivalent. 321. This number belongs to octal number system. So iski base 8 hai. How we will ascertain what is its decimal equivalent? So as you know, 321, the rightmost digit is 1. So we have to multiply this 1 by 1, means 8 raised to power 0, that is equal to 1. Then the 2, and the second place, the digit is 2 when we are moving from right to left. The second digit we have to multiply by 8 raised to power 1, that is equal to 8. 8 raised to power 1 is equal to 8. So it will become 2 into 8. Then the third digit is 3. We have to multiply this very digit by 8 raised to power 2. So 8 raised to power is equal to 2 is equal to 64. We have to multiply this very number by 64. So our 3, 2, 1, the number of the octal number system will become like this. आप यहाँ देख सकते हो 3, 2, 1 नीचे base 8 is equal to, आप राइट की तरफ जाइए 1 is because जो है राइट मोस्ट डिजिट that is 1 is into 1. As you know, 8 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. 1 is to 1. Then we have to multiply the second digit 2 by 8 raised to power 1, that's equal to 8. We have to multiply this very digit 2 by 8. Then the third digit we have to multiply by 8 raised to power 2, that's 64. With 3 we have to multiply by 64. The number will become like this. Then we have to add them. 1 plus 16 plus 192, because 64 into 3 is equal to 192. The number will become 209 base 10. Means 321 of the octal number system. 321, which is the number of octal system. What is it is decimal equivalent. that is 209, 209. So any number we can convert into octal number. Any octal number can be converted into decimal number. How? We have to multiply each digit of that very octal number by 8 with power up as per position. Means the rightmost digit we have to multiply with 8 raised to power 0, then 8 raised to power 1, then 8 raised to power 2, etc. etc. So we will get our decimal equivalent number. So यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो, देखो पहले जो राइट मोस्ट डिजिट होता है उसका पोजिशनल वेट होता है 1, सेकंड का होता है 8, थर्ड जो डिजिट होता है उसका 64, then 512. Yani we have to double every time. It becomes double every time. It is doubled every time. The positional weight of any number. So positional weight of this आप देखो यहाँ पर गिवन नंबर हमारे पास इस वक्त है 120, नहीं इट इज़ एक्चुअली 1265, 1265. आप यहाँ देख सकते हो. We have been given this problem. Multiply 1265, which is the number of octal number system. We have to convert into it is a decimal equivalent. How we can convert it? So as you know the method, we have to multiply each digit by the power of 8 according to the position of that very digit. So the rightmost digit of this number, octal number 1265. There are 4 digits. The rightmost digit is 5. So we have to multiply 5 by 8, 5 by 1. Actually why 1? As you know, the rightmost digit we have to multiply actually with 8 raised to power 0, that is equal to 1. Anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So we have to remember the rightmost digit we have to multiply by 1, and the second digit, which is 6 in this number 1265, the second digit while moving from right to left is 6. We have to multiply this 6 by 8. Then the third digit is 2. We have to multiply this 2 by 64, and 1 we have to multiply with this with the power of 8 raised to power 4, this is equal to 512. We have to multiply this 1 by 512. So what will be it is decimal equivalent? As you can see, this is 512 into 1 is equal to 512. 2 into 64 is equal to 128, plus 6 into 8 is equal to 48, plus 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Then we have to add these numbers. It will become 693. आप देख सकते हो कितनी बड़ी डिफरेंस है. 321 of number of the octal number system. 321 of the octal number system, because it is having the base 8. It is decimal equivalent is 693. आप देख सकते हो. So this is how we can convert a number from one given number system to another number system. So as you know, there are same methods. इसकी binary की क्या है? Base 2 है. We have to multiply each digit of the binary number with the 2 raised power. Power क्या है उसका? राइट साइड में 0 होता है, 2 का पावर, फिर 1, फिर बढ़ता जा रहा है. Then our hexadecimal number system, you can easily understand. What we have to do? Write down the hexadecimal number decimal digits and list the powers of the 16 from. List the powers of the 16. यहाँ पर आप देखो 16 raised to power 0 is equal to 1, 16 raised to power 1 is equal to 1, ऐसे 16 raised to power 2 ऐसे बढ़ता जाएगा. तो चलो हम बड़े नंबर टच नहीं करेंगे. इस तरह से इसने दिया है. देखो एज यू नो द हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम में जो है इसमें 9 के बाद 10 के बदले ए आता है, 11 के बदले 2 बी आता है, 12 के बदले सी, देन 13 के बदले डी, देन 14 के बदले ई, देन 15 के बदले एफ. यहाँ पर एक नंबर दिया गया है. वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट टू डेसिमल इक्विवेलेंट. व्हाट इज़ द नंबर? नंबर इज़ ए बी. नंबर इज़ ए बी. सो जो बी है ये राइट मोस्ट डिजिट है, उसके बाद ए है, द राइट लेफ्ट जो है लेफ्ट मोस्ट अल्फ़ाबेट है जो है ये है. सो व्हाट इज़ द नंबर? नंबर इज़ एक्चुअली ए बी. सो एज यू नो द वैल्यू ऑफ ए इज़ 10 एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ बी इज़ 11. सो बी को जो है ना, बी राइट साइड में इसको 16 रेज्ड पावर 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. दैट इज़ 16 रेज्ड पावर 0 इज इक्वल टू 1. यानी एनीथिंग raised to power 0 is equal to 1. We have to multiply b by 1. Then our a, we have to multiply this a with 16 raised to power 1. So that's equal to 16. Go 10, a के बदले हम 10 लिखेंगे. 10 into 16 plus b के बदले 11, 11 into 1. This is 10 into 16 is equal to 160 plus 11 into 1 is equal to 11. The number will become 172. So this is how we can convert a hexadecimal number into its decimal equivalent. What we have to do, we have to multiply each digit of the given hexadecimal number by the power of 16. सो राइट मोस्ट डिजिट को 16 रेज पावर 0, देन उसके बाद जो नंबर आता है बाएं साइड में उसको 16 रेज पावर 1, देन 16 रेज पावर 2, ऐसे करते करते हम लेफ्ट की तरफ मूव होना है. तो यहाँ पर नंबर जो दिया गया है दैट वाज AB. एज यू नो दिस एक्चुअली दिस इज 10 11. So this AB we have to convert it to a decimal equivalent. How we can convert it? We know there are two digits or two alphabets in this given number of the hexadecimal number. So this is AB. We have to multiply B, right, more digit with the power of with 16 raised to power 0, then A with 16 raised to power 1. So when we multiply B with 16 raised to power 0, that's equal to 1. Then A with 16 raised to power 1, that's equal to 16. So now replace the value, actual value of A and B. As you know, in hexadecimal number system, we represent A with 10. We replace A with 10 and B with 11. So 10 into 16 plus 11 into 1, it will become 160 plus 11, that's 172. So AB based 16 in hexadecimal number जो है हमारा AB उसका decimal equivalent है 172. Now convert this number. ये देखो आप देख सकते हो. This is our 25F. This is our hexadecimal number system. We have to convert it to 5F base 16 to its decimal equivalent. How we can convert it? As we know, there are three digits in this given hexadecimal number, that is 25F. So F is on the rightmost side. So we have to multiply this F with 16 with 1, because we have to multiply the rightmost digit with 16 raised to power 0, that's equal to 1. Then we have to multiply 5 with 16 raised to power 1, that's equal to 16. Then we have to multiply this 2 with 16 raised to power 2, that is equal to 256. So this is how we can get this, it is decimal equivalent. अब देखते हो पोजिशनल वेट इसकी क्या है. F की पोजिशनल वेट क्या है? 1 है. 5 की पोजिशनल वेट 16 है. 2 की पोजिशनल वेट क्या है? 256. सो अब हम इसी नंबर गिवन नंबर को 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 256 से, 5 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 16 से, एंड F को 1 से. सो 512 बनता है. 2 into 256 is equal to 512 plus 5 into 16 is equal to 80. F का पता है आपको. F actually F represents the number 15 in hexadecimal number. So 15 into 1 is equal to 15. Then add these numbers, it will become 710. So what is the decimal equivalent of the hexadecimal number 25F? Its decimal equivalent is 710. This is how we can convert any given number to another number system. I hope you got it. Thank you.